The MK Party hereby announces the expulsion of Ms. Duduzile Zuma Sambudla and Mr. Nhlamulo Ndlela from the party with immediate effect. Their membership of the MK Party is hereby terminated, and they shall no longer enjoy any rights, privilege, responsibilities, or authority associated with the membership of the organization. This is a statement issued by the national officials of Umkhonto weSizwe Party and has been read by the Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. I thank you.
The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has expelled Member of Parliament Duduzile Zuma Sambudla and former spokesperson Nhlamulo Ndlela with immediate effect, saying both members brought the party into disrepute. The announcement was made on Thursday in Johannesburg by Party Secretary General Siboniso Nomvalo. During a media briefing, Nomvalo said the decision followed internal findings that the two had allegedly failed to adhere to the party's rules and code of conduct, and said their membership has been terminated with immediate effect. According to the party, the disciplinary action is linked to developments surrounding the death of Edward Mzikayise Musi, who passed away on June 4. Nomvalo alleged that Zuma Sambudla and Ndlela were involved in moving the deceased from one hospital to another without the consent or knowledge of the family and without informing the party leadership. He said this conduct was viewed as a serious breach of protocol and contributed to the decision to terminate their membership. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has not yet indicated whether further internal disciplinary or legal steps will follow. Meanwhile, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party about a week ago moved to clarify internal leadership structures and discipline, stating that Duduzile Zuma Sambudla is an ordinary member of the organization and does not hold any elected or appointed national leadership position. This comes against the backdrop of recent internal tensions that have exposed divisions within the party, including the fallout linked to the removal of former spokesperson Nhlamulo Ndlela and the suspension of his membership. At the center of the earlier dispute was an alleged statement suggesting that President Jacob Zuma and the party's national command structure had been disbanded and replaced by a new structure called the MKP Institute. The party later dismissed the statement, with Secretary General Sibonelo Nomvalo announcing its nullification during a media briefing held in the presence of senior leadership. Nomvalo also confirmed at the time that Ndlela had been removed from his role as Member of Parliament and national spokesperson, and that his membership had been suspended pending an investigation into alleged misconduct. He said the decision followed accusations that Ndlela had been sowing division and putting the party into disrepute. Developments triggered a public backlash from Zuma Sambudla, who openly defended Ndlela on social media platform, describing him as a sacrificial lamb. In her post, she appeared to align herself with Ndlela, suggesting that he had played a key role in the formation and the early mobilization of the party, and said, "They will never erase you, as they were not even here when we defeated all the charlatans, including Jabulani Khumalo," adding that there would be no MK Party of President Zuma standing today without you by my side. Against this backdrop, the party's national officials meeting on Thursday sought to reassert discipline and clarify authority within the organization. Nomvalo said the meeting emphasized that official positions are determined and communicated through authorized party structures and designated officials. He added that the party expects members and supporters to distinguish between personal views expressed by individuals and official organizational positions, and that official positions of the party are determined and communicated through authorized party structures and designated officials. The meeting further clarified that Duduzile Zuma Sambudla holds no leadership role in the national structure of the party, whether elected or appointed, and remains an ordinary member. Nomvalo also stressed that all members are bound by the party's constitution and code of conduct, no matter what position they hold in the organization. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.